Hey guys, wishing you a great life ahead, wishing you a healthy and happy life always. Today I wanted to speak only about the difference of SIP and HIP, or maybe what is SIP, what is HIP. SIP, we all know, it's a systematic investment plan where we invest some X amount consistently, monthly basis, till the duration we define, and after that duration, if you take that, withdraw that money, it will give you some good components or good return in terms of money you invested. Same way, what is health investment plan? HIP is a health investment plan. Yeah, I'm not going to ask you any money. This is the time you need to invest for yourself daily. It means whatever the age you are, maybe a 20 to 30 age group, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, or 60 to 70, or 70 to 80, or 80 to 90. The human body is designed in a way that it have a long lasting life of minimum 100 years. But this is what the habit of food we eat, water we drink, air we breathe will give you an effect on body, and that's deteriorate, and sometimes life is reduced. Sometimes now we are extending our death in terms of by taking more medicines. So life we made in a way that we are really not investing our time on health. We are not taking health very seriously in our life, and it is so crucial, guys. In this COVID epidemic, we all learn what is health. Now people are really conscious that we need to take care of our health. Basically, health is only a wealth. If we say that, that is also a true sentence. It is a main pillar of life. If health is there, if you are fit, if fitness is there, anything you can achieve easily. So start giving time to yourself. 1 hour in a day, fix that. Anything you like. Some people like meditation, yoga, physical exercise in terms of gym. You like walking, running, any sports you are playing, maybe swimming, cycling, anything you do, please do that. Start investing at least 1 hour in a day. It is, I'm saying, investment. You are fit today, you are investing yourself 1 hour for yourself in a day. It will give you a good return in long run. Think of today, you are 40, I'm 45 now. I'm 45, yes, 75 is born. And if I am 45 today, and if I am really giving my time for my health today, I'm investing that 1 hour in a day for my health, I'm really ensuring that by 50, 60, 65, 70, my old age, I'll be not dependent on my family. They are not going to have that, yeah, I need to take care of him, he's not that, I need to bring him to the hospital, he needs wheelchair, he needs stick to run, he need to walk, he needs stick support to walk. So this is going to happen. So the guys, here we need to understand that if we give time today, start from today, I really be serious with your health. If you are really, that's why it is called HIP, health investment plan. There is no money we need to give here. We only need to give 1 hour, really 1 hour for your body. If you are not having a 1 hour completely on the same time, give half an hour, 30 minutes break up, you do 15 minutes 4 times. But anything, it is required. Mind and body balance is also required. Body also need that physical, it has a, it's a good machine the God had given this gift to us. And this has a lots of organs. We know what are the diseases, what are the specialist doctor. There's a dermatologist, ophthalmic, ENT, there's one doctor, general surgeon, onco surgeon, plastic surgeon. There are lots of branches the doctor and specialists are. We do not want to go any of those doctor. Yeah, if we keep ourselves healthy, if we really ensure our family health with us, the life will be smooth. Believe in me, start investing on your health, and that's why it is also mandatory to do SIP, but do HIP also. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Wishing you a happy and healthy life always. Thank you.